The universal folding wagon push handle attachment claims to be a game changer for anyone hauling heavy loads with their garden cart or folding wagon. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This handle attachment is designed to improve stability and maneuverability, which is a big deal when you're dealing with a fully loaded wagon. The advertised compatibility is impressive, boasting an outer width of almost 20 inches and an inner width of nearly 18 3/4 inches. They even offer customization if your wagon falls outside of these dimensions, which is a nice touch. The adjustability is a key feature here. You can customize the height and angle of the handle to find the most comfortable and ergonomic position for pushing or pulling. This is crucial for preventing strain and making those long hauls much easier. Installation seems pretty straightforward. It attaches to a 0.6-inch square tube, and they claim it requires minimal tools and expertise. We'll put that to the test in a moment. The big question is, does it actually make a difference? The manufacturer promises effortless pushing and pulling, leading to more efficient and enjoyable outdoor tasks. From gardening supplies to groceries, this handle aims to make moving heavy items a breeze. The dimensions are listed as 0.6 inches deep, almost 20 inches wide, and 30 inches high, giving you a good idea of the overall size. It's made of stainless steel, which should offer decent durability and comes in a sleek black finish. The highlighted features include adjustability, durability, and foldability, although the specifics of the folding mechanism aren't detailed in the provided information. Stay tuned as we unbox this handle attachment, install it on a wagon, and put it through its paces with a variety of loads. We'll test its stability, maneuverability, and overall ease of use to see if it truly delivers on its promises. Is it the best upgrade for your folding wagon? Let's find out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.